Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Stark Truth. Today I'm super excited to tackle this pantry with you guys since this has been a long time coming. We moved into this house about a year ago, and I finally now have the time to organize it since we were stuck at home due to this COVID pandemic. If you're looking to plan your own pantry makeover or just want to see how another person organized theirs, then keep watching. I'm very pleased with the final result. I can already tell this will help me when I'm cooking or when I'm making my grocery lists. Alright, so let's start down here. I store all my lunch bags in this large bin that I got on Wayfair and my big Neutrogena bag that I got when I worked at their headquarters. Here I put my daughter and husband's lunch bag for easy access and some sparkling water for when my family comes to visit and some travel mugs on this Lazy Susan. Up here I got this cool bottle rack. It comes in a 4-pack. That's why I have one down here that has these neat double-sided snack containers. Here is my dinner central zone. So this is where I'm storing my toppings in this bin. I have dried fruit and chips for salads or tacos. I also have some nuts in here. And then a Lazy Susan with some jars and condiments. And then on this back wall, I have 2 designated dinner baskets. This one has some specialty rice, quinoa, and other gluten-free pastas, and also some mac and cheese in this basket, just in case. Up here is my favorite shelf. I have this bin that contains tablecloths and runners for my dining table. I put the trail mix, the shredded coconut, and tortilla chips here since it's part of the toppings section. If you continue over, I have all the containers. So breakfast area with the cereals, oatmeal, and granola. Then dinner options with the tri-colored couscous and pastas. Then over here, I have my baking section with all the sugars and flours. I love these OXO pop containers for an airtight seal, though these are even better in my opinion, especially for baking goods. They are made by Progressive. This one is the mini container and it has the option to sprinkle or grab a few spoonfuls. This container has a spout and opens if you'd prefer to scoop. This powdered sugar has this removable dusting tool and leveler that snaps inside. And then this brown sugar container has a built-in terracotta humidifying disc to keep the sugar from drying out and getting hard. And lastly, these flour containers also have the leveler bar. I have all the sweets up here so my daughter can't reach. I have gummy bears, candy, and chocolates. And then the can section over here, I have this double Lazy Susan with the smaller and bigger cans. And then over here, a 3-tiered shelf for more cans. Kinda goes with the dinner zone. Over here, I have a container with veggie straws since I couldn't find another place for it. And then I have a hot beverage section. My Nespresso and pods are stored on my counter, but here I have instant coffee with sugar and sweetener packets in these. And down below, a tea zone. My bamboo tea box with the individual packets, and this box contains all my green teas. Down in these baskets, I have my baking section and miscellaneous stuff like flax seeds for smoothies and some pancake mix, as well as this bin with more baking items like sprinkles and stuff. Moving on, down low here, I have my kid-friendly zone. My daughter loved this section when I was putting it together. She now can grab snacks that I approve at eye level. Individual snack baggies for easy access, and some fruit that doesn't need to be fridged. I have some pouches over here and her bars on this Lazy Susan. I also have my dog section to the right here with his dog food down below. I love that he has a section in the pantry too. His greenies are stored in these dog containers I got from Home Goods. These are super cute, and his favorite activity, bubbles. Here I have my overstock bin for any extras or duplicates. We stocked up on cans when the pandemic started, so what we haven't used are stored here. And then lastly, I have these 3 snack baskets for our rice cakes, our chips, and crackers. And then at the very top, I have all my flower vases, some of my wooden serving boards, and this artificial plant. I actually bought this plant last year when we were staging our previous house. I think it makes this pantry really pretty. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys are wondering about any of the containers or baskets that I use, I'll link them down in the description box below. Thanks for watching.
Bye, Mama.